Are you spread too thin in a sea of comp planning spreadsheets? Is your current payroll software forcing you to go elsewhere when it's time to design and manage more complex compensation programs like multi-factor bonuses, deferred cash compensation, and vesting? With CompXL, no comp plan is too complicated. No incentive package is too challenging. You get the flexibility and formula compatibility of Excel combined with the power and accessibility of the cloud, all in one fluid, time-saving, and comprehensive comp solution. CompXL simplifies and automates workflow so you can reduce comp planning cycle time by up to 75%. And it offers advanced functionality for your merit, bonus, equity, and reward programs. That's why it gets a Net Promoter Score that's 25 points higher than its closest competitor. CompXL empowers your team to do what they do best: attract, reward, and retain top talent to make your company win in a competitive hiring environment. For compensation without compromise, learn more about CompXL. Empower your teams and workforce with CompXL. Schedule a 10-minute demo today.